Okay girls, so today we will talk about rational numbers and the coordinate plan. We will learn today a new idea for you, a new lesson. So please, I want you to focus. I want you to focus with me, please. How do you plot ordered pairs of rational numbers on the number line or on the coordinate plan? First thing, let's start to know what is a coordinate plan. What is a coordinate plan? I think all of you have this figure in your book on page 177. All of you have this coordinate in the book. Let's now see what is a coordinate plan. A coordinate plan is a plan formed by a horizontal number line called the x-axis that intersects a vertical number line called the y-axis. What that mean? Okay, coordinate plan is a plan consists of, look girls, you have two number lines in the coordinate plan. The horizontal number line, which is here, this one, the horizontal one. This is a number line. This number line has 0 point in the middle, positive numbers or positive rational numbers on the right, negative rational numbers on the left. We called this number line x-axis, okay? So the horizontal always will be the x-axis, okay? This one x. And this number line intersect, that means cross a vertical number line. Look, this one. This is the vertical number line. The vertical number line, we name it y-axis. Those number lines, look, this is the vertical one. Also, in the middle, in the vertical number line, we have 0 point. And you know, we talk about the vertical number line. You have the positive rational number will be up and the negative rational number will be down. Okay? Now, look, the axes intersect at 0 on both number line. So those axes, which is x-axis and y-axis, they intersect, they cross in the point of 0. And the point where the axes intersect is the origin. So this point, we name it the origin. Okay? So all those we name it, or those axes and the origin and the y-axis, all those make a coordinate plan. Okay? So the coordinate plan consists of the horizontal number line, and we talk about the horizontal number line, the vertical number line, a vertical number line, we name it y-axis. Those number lines, both number lines, vertical and horizontal number lines, they intersect on 0 point, That's mean this is 0 points for x-axis, and this is the 0 point for y-axis. This point we name it origin. Okay, you have to save all those. You have to save the x-axis is what, the y-axis is what, the origin will be what. Okay, now let's move to an order pair. An order pair. Okay, I want you to focus with me, please. What is the order pair? Let's read this. An order pair is a pair of numbers. Pair of numbers. That's mean two numbers. Such as, look, 3, 2. 3, 2. Don't talk to your friend on private. Okay. So, what is an order pair? An order pair is a pair of numbers like 3, 2 that can be used to locate a point on the coordinate. So, look, these numbers help us if I want to locate any point in this coordinate. I will use those numbers to locate the point. How I will do that? Let's see. Girls, focus with me, please. First number is the x coordinate. So you know that we have the horizontal number line and the vertical number line. You remember when we want to locate any number on the number line, we have to count on the number, like when we count on the horizontal number line like this. So we have to count on the left, on the right if the number is positive, on the left if the number is negative, and put the number on the number line, right? Also, when we want to locate any number on the vertical number line, we have to count up if the number is positive, down if the number is negative. But what about if I want to order a number in the coordinate plan? In the coordinate plan, in this plan, I have to use both the x and the y number line. So that's why we have this order pair. Those numbers, order pair, ordered, that's mean they ordered. The first one is x coordinate, and it tells the distance to move left or right from the origin. So the x coordinate will help us to move on the x-axis. As I said, if the number is negative or positive, we have to move on the x-axis on the right. If the number is negative, we have to move on the left side. Okay? This is about the first number. Okay? Like a 3. Look, I have a 3 here. Okay? So, in the x I have a 3. That's mean I have to move left or right. Look, left or right. You know that 3 is a positive number. Positive number, that's mean I have to move right. Okay, that's mean according to the x coordinate on the x here number line, on the x number line, I have to move to the right side 3 steps. That's mean 1, 2, 3. Okay, girls, I want to tell you something. If you stop typing on the chat and focus to what I'm saying now, you will understand. but you are wasting your time typing on the chat, teacher, I don't understand. Okay, I am describing the lesson, so please focus with me. So first number, the first number is 3. The first number is 3, which is the x coordinate. We name this number, the first one always will be the x. So always the first one, I will write it here. The first one will be the x coordinate. That means it will tell me then the point here, I have to move it on the x 3 positive. That's mean to the right side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is about the x coordinate. What about the y coordinate? He told me the second number in the is the y coordinate. The second number is the y coordinate. This one, which is 2 here in this point. So the second number, we name it y coordinate. It tells the distance to move up or down from the origin. So then the second number will tell me I have to move up or down, negative or positive, and the number. Here the number is 2 as an example. That's mean positive. So I have to move up according to the vertical number line, up. What is the number? It's 2. So I have to move 1 and 2. This is the y coordinate. Okay? This is the y coordinate. So the x coordinate is 3 on the horizontal number line. The y coordinate is 2. So it will be on the vertical number line. The order pair for the origin, or I will explain now this point first. Then I will talk about the 0 point. Look, girls, why we name this numbers order pair? Why we name this order pair? Because those numbers, always the coordinate for any point must be ordered. That's mean always the first one, we have to order the numbers. The first one will be the x coordinate, the second one will be a y coordinate. Okay? I can't start from the y then the x, okay? So always I will start from the x, then the y. That's why we name this numbers ordered pair. That's mean I have 2 numbers. Okay, so to explain any point in the coordinate plan, I have to the example will give me 2 points. The first one is the x. That's mean I have to move left or right or left. According to the sign is positive here. That's mean I have to move right. I have to move 3. That's mean I have to move to the 3 number here. This is the x coordinate. What about the y coordinate? I have to move on the vertical number line according to the number here. The second number will be the y always, girls. That's mean this 2 is a positive number. That's mean I have to move up. I have to move up and it's 2. So 1, 2. So this is the x, this is the y. What is the point? To know the point, girls, look at this. First thing, from the x I will draw this line. Okay? From the X, I will draw this line. And from the Y, I will draw this line. So look, the lines here intersect or cross on this point. Okay? The lines cross on this point. That's mean this is the point 3, 2. This is the point 3, 2. So to locate or to place any point on the coordinate plan, I have to know two numbers. First one is the X coordinate. The X coordinate, that means the steps that I have to move it on the X number line, to the left or to the right. The second number I have to know it is the Y coordinate. The number of steps that I have to move it up or down. So from those numbers, when I locate those numbers, I will take line from the X, line from the Y. The lines will cross on this point. That means this point is 3, 2. Okay? What about the origin here? The origin, this point, look at this point. If I want to know this point on the x-axis, locate on the 0 point, that means the x coordinate for this origin is 0. And on the y-axis also, this point also locate on the 0. Look, on the y-axis, the vertical number line, also this number located on the 0 point. That means the y coordinate for this origin also will be 0. Okay? That's why this origin, the order pair for it is 0, 0. Okay, girls? I know that is a new idea for you. So no, Farah. No, where is the negative number? There is no negative here. There is no negative. Of course, we are talking about a positive number here. I will give you the number, the order pair, and if the numbers are positive here, both numbers are positive. So there is no negative. Yes, sometimes it will be positive. So now let's see the first example, girls. Now in each example, I will repeat the same steps, so you will understand it, inshallah. Okay. I want you to focus with me, please. Now, point B is located at, where is B? Look at this example. This example, I want to know the coordinate for each point. The coordinate for each point, girls. The coordinate for each point. Find the coordinates of each point. Where's B? Look, this is B here. This is B. To find the coordinate for P point, first thing I want to find the x-axis, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate. So the first number will be the x coordinate. How I will find the x coordinate, girls? First thing, you know that this is the x coordinate, the horizontal number line. Okay, Farah, I will solve the first one, then you will help me. So this is the point. To know the x coordinate, you have to follow me, please, to know how you will find the coordinate for any point. First thing, this is the x coordinate. This is the point. To know the x coordinate, I have to take a line a vertical line from the point on the number line x, on the x-axis. So this line will cross x on a number. What is this number? Look at this number. This number is -2. That means the x-coordinate is -2 for this point. What about the y-coordinate? To know the y-coordinate, this is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. To know the y-coordinate, I have to take a line from the point on the number on the y-axis. It will cross the y-axis on a number. What is this number? Look at this number. This number is 3. This number is 3. That means the y-coordinate for this point is 3. Of course, it's positive because it's up. Now point Q. What is point Q? This point. This is the point Q. Point Q, I want to find the x and y. I told you. To find the x-coordinate, girls, I have to take a line, a vertical line, from the point on the x-coordinate or the x-axis. A vertical number line from the point on the x-axis. It will cross the x-axis on a number. What is this number, Lena? Type this number on the chat, please. Okay, very good, Lena. Very good, Farah. Very good, Mariam, sorry. So the number is -3. This is the x-coordinate for Q. What about the y? The y-coordinate, I have to take a horizontal line from the point on the y-axis. It will cross the y-axis on a number. This number is -3 also, so it will be -3 also in the y-coordinate. Girls, you can't start from the y. Always you have to start from the x, then the y. Okay? So the first axis, the first coordinate will be x. The second one will be y. Always. That's why we name those numbers ordered pair. Ordered pair. Because those coordinates will be ordered all the time. The first one is the x. The second one is the y. Okay, now what about now R? This is the R. The R, I have to take also the x and y. What is the x-axis? I have to take a line from the point on the vertically will cross the x-axis. So it will be 4 in the x. And what about the y? I have to take a line from the point on the y-axis. So it will cross the line or the y-axis on 3. That means the coordinate will be 4, 3. The first one is the x, the second one is the y. Okay? What about the last one, which is here, the s? Who will tell me what is the x here? Look, if I will take the s here, I will take a line from the s on the or vertically will cross the x coordinate here on 0. Very good, Lena. So it will cross the x coordinate on 0. That means the x is 0. The x is 0. What about the y? Look, no need to take the y because the number already, or the point, sorry, already on the y-axis. It's on the number, I think, -2. -2. This number is -2. That means the y is -2. Very good, girls. Very good. That means the idea is clear for you. Very good. Now, if you finish, please type 1 into chat, girls, to move to the next example on page 178. Okay, now let's see now this example. Now the opposite thing. I have the coordinate and I want to locate the number, the point, sorry. I have the coordinate, I want to locate the point. Look, girls, first thing, I will do the same strategy, the same way to locate the number or to find the coordinate. So the first point is a capital 2 -1/2. That I have here an ordered pair. Or those numbers, we name it ordered pair. The first one will be always what? X. So no need to mention in the example that's mean please the x is 2. No, they will not mention any x or y, because you have to know by yourself that the first one is x and the second one is y, because those an ordered pair. Okay, first one is 2 on the x axis. That's mean I have to go to the 2 on the right side, and this is 2, right? What I have to do, I have to take a line like this vertically, right? Draw a line vertically from the 2 like this. Okay, what about the second coordinate? The second one is the y, -1/2. Between what and what, Lena? -1/2. -1/2, that's mean down between 0 and -1. This is the half, right? This is -1/2 here. So this is -1/2 and this is 2. What I have to do, I have to take a line from here and line down from here. Okay, so what is the point? This is point A. Okay, now let's see B. B is -0.50. The first one always will be what? The x-axis, the x coordinate, and the second one is the y coordinate. The x coordinate is -0.5. You know that 0.5 will be between 0 and 1, but because I have a negative number, that's mean I have to go to the left side of 0. No, there is no -0. Of course, I told you 0 is a neutral number. It will be there is no negative or there is no positive 0, of course. So what about the here where I am? Okay, between 0 and -1, because -0.5, it will be on the left side of 0, between 0 and -1, in the middle. This is the number. Okay, I will put a point. Okay, girls, I will write it here, -0.5. What about 0? There's 0. Where is the 0? On the y. This is the 0 on the y-axis. This is the y-axis, and this is the 0 point, right? If I will take a line from 0 and a line from -0.5, so no need to do that. Why? because when the y is 0, that means this point will locate on the x-axis. Because the y is 0, that means the point will locate on the x-axis. That means this is B, on point negative 0.5, because the y is 0. Okay? Did you finish? Now I will move to number C, point C. Point C I have here. Okay, point C I have, where is it? Okay, 2 and 1 over 2. 2 and 1 over 2, this is a mixed number, right? Mixed number. First thing, on the x-coordinate, this coordinate is the x-coordinate. That means on x-axis. It's positive, that means on the right side. Okay, 2 and 1 over 2, that means this is a mixed number between 2 and 3. After 2, I have to take a half. That means this one. That's 1 over 2. That means this is 2 and this is 2 and 1 over 2. Okay? What about the y coordinate? 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is a number on the y-axis, will be a positive number. That means will be up between 0 and 1. 3 over 4 is a 3. That means you have to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts, and take 3 over 4. This is 3 over 4. If you do that, this is 3 over 4. I have to take a line from the 2 and 1 over 2 and line from 3 over 4, a vertical and horizontal line. They will cross on this point. That means this is the point C. Okay, this is C. Last one is the point D. D, the x-coordinate is negative 1.25. 1.25. On x-coordinate, I have to move on the x-axis. X-axis is a negative. Negative, that means on the right side. The number is negative 1.25. That means it will be between negative 1 and negative 2. The 25, it's a quarter. That means if you divide the distance between negative 1 and negative 2 into 4 equal sides, this one will be the first part on the 4. Or you can divide the distance between negative 1 and negative 2 into 10 equal parts and count negative 0.5. It will be here. This is negative 1.25. What about negative 1.75? Also, this is the y coordinate. The y coordinate will be down because the negative between negative 1 and negative 2. 0.75, it will be the same of 3 over 4. That means this is negative 1.75. Or you can divide the distance into 10 equal parts and count. I have to take a vertical line from this point, a horizontal line from this point, and they will cross on this point. That means this is point D. This is D. Okay, so this is our lesson, girls. I think the period is finished. Thank you so much for attending today.